Hola, hola mis queridos spoonies de tenedores de la vida y el amor. ¿Cómo están? Yo aquí tratando de recuperarme, pero mientras tanto les vamos a hacer un spoonie tutorial for Valentine's Day with this beautiful eyeshadow palette. It arrived from nuestrosecreto.com, so protected. It was beautifully packaged.
Bougie. So upstairs, downstairs, to the sides, and all the way to Australia. Hello, my spoonie fellows. Oh, well. Hope you're fine. And then I have problems opening this with just one hand.
So here is the eyeshadow palette. It was out of stock for a long time, and I finally got it in nuestrosecreto.com here in Mexico. It was not cheap, but it was not as expensive as another website. So it is so easy to work, and now I understand why Jeffree Star is Jeffree Star. 18, I cannot even add. And these are so pigmented, so beautiful. I'm gonna try to use the purple ones and the red ones. I'm gonna try to use as much as eyeshadows I can possibly can, but I can tell you right now that this is totally Spoonie approved. You can use this eyeshadow palette with like 4 squares. It is really easy to work with. We don't have the most amazing shimmers, but we do have some shimmers, such as the package is wonderful. It's wonderful. This eyeshadow palette is beautifully made. Now remember that this is more like an eye pigment or pigments because it is vegan and it is going to figure out with me, and it's vegan, so we have pigments here in case you have problems with staining your eyes. So I'm kind of excited. Let's see, it's just one swatch. Here are some swatches, just random swatches. This is really pigmented, but I really need to see how this behave in my eyes. And I'm pretty sure this is going to stain my eyelids, so I'm going to be using a lot of concealer.
So without further ado, let's do this, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did doing it. Let's do this!
Fuerte hacer llorar a mí. Dame tu mano, inténtalo, mi niña, quiero verte reír. Abrázame fuerte, ven corriendo a mí. Te quiero, te quiero, te quiero y no hago otra cosa que pensar en ti. Tú estás dormida y yo te abrazo y siento que respiras. Sueño con tu sonrisa, te beso muy despacio en las mejillas. Necesito ver